So this Multus U3000 now has the latest controls. It's the Okuma OSP P500. So state-of-the-art technology on board the control. Also, it's the new look from Okuma. So now we have this new design, and it goes across the range as well. This is the 1.5 meter bed version that we have behind me. This also has a lower turret, but there is a wide range of machines. So we can go down to a single turret, 500 between centres version, all the way up to a 6 meter bed version. So there is quite a vast range within this Multus lineup. I'll be honest with you, once you get into it, it's not complicated at all. It's actually a lot easier to use. There's a lot of user-friendly items on there. They've focused quite heavily on cybersecurity, making sure that the customer is safe in their networks. There's log-on details for different operators, so you can set different levels for different operators. So it's quite a large sort of focus, that area. So some of the sectors, we've put these into aerospace sectors, subcontract sectors, and they seem to do really well with those sectors. We have recently sold these machines into a company where they have automation in front of these machines with the form of a robot. You know, we can cut in canals, we can cut steels, aluminiums, because it is a rigid, fast and accurate machine. So we have put this at the forefront, so right near the entrance to the hall. The footfall for this area is quite large, so making sure people are aware of the new machine look, the new control, trying to make sure everybody's aware of the new technology that we've got on board. So some of the features on this control, which we've had on other machines as well, which are, you know, we do like to promote them. So the thermo-friendly concept is one. So we make sure that this machine is a stable machine no matter what environment it's working in. Means that the accuracy of the machine stays within where the customer expects it to be. It doesn't depend on their environment, the changing temperatures. That's a big one. Collision avoidance is a standard feature on the Multus machines, which is quite important. When you get to these types of machines, there's a lot going on. So you can't have your eyes looking at everything at once. So with that collision avoidance system, it is a world-renowned system by Okuma. It's constantly making sure there aren't any collisions happening and you are in safe hands.